Hey everybody, it's Josh with Carl's Mower and Saw. It's wet, not really super wet, but it's got some drizzle coming down and it's nasty. And today, I'm in my neighbor's field. Shh, don't tell him. My lawn is cut way too short for this application, this video that I want to do with my trusty old Honda HRX217VKA. This goes back a few years. This has a lot of hours and a lot of use. What do we want to talk about today? It's an old mower. What do we care? Today we're going to talk about why does Honda not have a side discharge? What? No side discharge? I want to blow that crap out of the side of my deck. I don't want to bag it. I don't want to mulch it. How does this work? So this mower right here, believe it or not, is able to bag, mulch, or rear discharge. What does that mean? I want a hole in the side of my deck. I want to blow the crap out. Okay, so right here, this green lever, what it does, as you've seen before, opens or closes the rear chute. Okay, let's turn this. So there we go. There's my door right there. See down that chute right there? Right now it is in mulch mode. That means that this thing is closed up. Nothing can get out and into the bag. As I open it up incrementally, let's just go all the way open so we can see. Take a quick peek. Not recommended that you dump the mower forward. I'm probably getting gas. Yeah, I'm getting gas spilling out the carb, so don't try this at home. You can see that tunnel? It's wide open right now. So this would traditionally be the bag mode, right? Boom, pop the bag on, drop that, and all the grass is going to go into the bag. But wait, Josh, look. Let me back up. Look at that tall grass there. It's super long. There's no way you're going to bag it. There's no way that you're going to mulch it. Well, that's where this rear discharge comes in. Okay, so let's talk about how that works. Step forward here again. Let me throw this bag out of the way. Turn this a little bit sideways. You see this right here? It's about 2.5, I'd say 3 inches wide. It does not allow this back door to close all the way. So what's going to happen is the grass is going to come up the chute. Natural airflow. This is why we don't do a side discharge. The side discharge, that's not natural airflow. The natural airflow, it's designed to push the grass to the back and out to the bag. So it comes back, hits this deflector, this door right here, and drops down at your feet. So today we're going to fire this up, kind of see how it works, what it does. Flip my handles back up, and I'm set really low. So I'm set at level 2. That's dropping down to probably around 1 inch, maybe 1.25 inches. Oh, getting deep here. Getting deep in the grass. What's happening is that grass is coming right out the rear of the mower. Okay, and let's get a little idea of how tall this grass is. Let me flip my camera. See that profile? I mean, we're talking, I'm cutting off a fairly large amount of grass, pretty high volume, and it's throwing it down. And now take a look at my feet. There's a little bit of, is that from shooting on my feet? No. That's actually, hey, check out those socks. They're nice. That's not from shooting on my feet. That's from me dragging my feet through that grass. So that's the Honda HRX with the rear discharge. Cleaner, cut, a much nicer finish, follows the natural airflow. Think about maybe increasing the durability, the rigidity of your deck. If I have a hole on the side of the deck, another hole in my deck, it's more flex, right? From a manufacturing standpoint, it makes sense. It's less manufacturing, less cutting, that sort of thing. So it's a faster, streamlined process. So why does Honda do a rear discharge? Right there. Now you see it right in front of you, what the difference is between a side and a rear discharge, why I may bag, right? So my lawn, if we were to turn the camera around, my lawn right now is 1.5 inches, maybe 1.25 inches tall. Easy, bag that stuff up or mulch that stuff up. But when I get out into this heavy stuff, maybe I skipped a couple weeks of mowing, I'm behind, that's when I want to grab my rear discharge, just throw the stuff out of my feet, come over, looks good, looks clean, and then maybe take the bag afterwards and suck it up or mulch it up. Right? It's a good opportunity, good way for you to clean your lawn up and get ahead of it if you've fallen behind. All right, guys, thanks for stopping in, checking out on this wet, kind of getting dark night, you know, right? This wet day. The Honda HRX in action as a rear discharge mower. We look forward to seeing you all soon. Have a great night.
Hey, this is Josh from Carl's Mower and Saw. Thanks for watching our videos. We're proud of the fact that we've been serving you with the best in outdoor power equipment since 1990. We're glad that you had an opportunity to sit down, watch our videos, learn something about an exciting new product that we have, something that interests you for your property, or really how to use your equipment to the best of its ability. Don't forget to like, subscribe, follow, whether it's on Instagram or YouTube. We're excited to share more information with you. See you soon.